The last part of our lesson this week is in interest. So we will start with simple interest. And simple interest is found by taking the principal times the rate times the time. So principal, of course, meaning the amount that I'm investing or the amount that I'm borrowing. R is the rate. The rate is always going to be a decimal, just as we've been doing. And the time, T, is in years. So if I'm finding simple interest, that's all I have to do. Now, just as before, that does not give us the new amount. So if I'm investing some money into a simple interest account, if I wanted to find the total at the end, I would add the principal to the interest, which I could do by finding them in two separate steps, or I could put it all together and replace I with PRT. So let's take a look. I'm investing $3,000 in an account that earns 4% simple interest. How much is earned after 5 years? So if it's simple interest, it's I equals PRT. I is what I'm trying to solve for, how much interest, so I'll leave it as I. P is principal, that's $3,000 that I'm investing in that account. It's earning 4% interest, which of course I will turn into 0.04. Time T is in years, that's 5 years. Multiplying all of those together, I get $600. So I earned $600, or you earned $600 in interest in 5 years. So what's the total amount in the account at the end of 5 years? Again, I can just take that $3,000 that I started with, add the $600 that I've earned in interest, and end up with $3,600 in the account. Another question very similar to that for you to try on your own. You are going to take out a loan for $6,000, same concept even though you're borrowing rather than investing. 6% simple interest, and the loan is for 39 months. So how much do we pay in interest? Again, we're using I equals PRT. Interest equals principal of $6,000 times rate of 0.06 times time of what? Well, 39 months is not a whole number of years. So 39 months divided by 12, if I turn this into a mixed number, that would be 3 3/12, because 3 times 12 is 36, subtract it from the 39. 3 3/12 would be like 3 1/4. So what's 1/4 as a decimal? Oh, 12, again, because there's 12 months in a year. I didn't say that, but that's why I divided it by 12. So 3 1/4, I'm going to turn this into 3.25, so we keep everything as decimals. 3 1/4 years. Now simply multiply the 3 together. The interest you pay in 39 months is $1,170, which seems very steep. How much did you end up paying in total for the vehicle? You would take that $6,000 and add the $1,170. So you ended up paying $7,170.